Want to add yourself to any photo? Maybe to create a fun memory or a cool design? In this quick Canva guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. First, open Canva and create a new design. This works the same on your phone or on the desktop version. Start by adding the main background photo you want to use. For example, I'm adding this beautiful Colosseum picture where I'd like to place a person. Just drag it onto your page or upload it from your gallery. Next, we need to bring in the photo of the person. Upload the second image that has you or anyone you want to add. Place it on the canvas. But here's the important part. We only need the person, not the background of this second photo. If you're using Canva Pro, this is super easy. Select the person's photo, tap Edit Photo at the top, and look for BG Remover or Remove Background, depending on your version. Click it and wait a couple of seconds. Canva will automatically remove the background and leave just the person perfectly cut out. Don't have Canva Pro? No problem. You can still do this for free. Open a browser and go to remove.dg. I'll leave the link in the description if you need it. Upload your photo there, and within a few seconds, the background will be gone. Download the new cutout image to your device. Once you have the photo with the background removed, upload it back into Canva. Drag it into your project, resize or reposition it until it blends naturally with the background photo. You can also use Canva's editing tools to adjust brightness, shadows, or add effects so it looks even more realistic. You've successfully added a person to any photo using Canva. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more quick Canva tips.